Kedesha from Waterford 5 grand combo, guys. We are gonna talk about, so here what this is an intro video, so please subscribe and like. Yeah guys, so a video about a venue from Waterford, about this 5 grand combo, 3 grand heads, you see me, etc. I'll go around from a good while and all my day I don't even know said real people.
If you don't want to know what suck, 3 grand if you don't want to fuck. When I don't know we are gonna have the combo $5,000 flat. When I get to know what suck, I wanna get fuck with it. You see me? Make sure everybody come out to the party at December the 5th. Now I got normal about the party. You don't know place to be? Right to Kedesha house, Waterford. I'm out. Yeah, people, more everybody come out. A combo party today. Place to be right on a back road overdose. You don't know admission $1,000. You see me? You don't know so we have the fuck and suck and chuck and every blood clot thing. You don't know I mean say 2 grand for fuck, 3 grand for suck and 5 grand gear combo. Yeah, people, you don't know so a combo boss is a represent for the big bad combo party. I'm out.
So the person said December the 5th, you know that today and we there and it hot. When I say hot, if you check Twitter, you see the trending on Waterford right now with Kedesha. I hear say police gone with that.
Yeah man, I lock her up man, cause 6 killer sound around there, you know. And I make her 6 killer sound around there, cause I'm not too long say I good enough to come back for the sound, cause police gone with the promoter. You see me?
And we see our next video with her, you know, guys. Like she come up, but we don't know how it really go, guys. We just go and watch and I see what's new if I get the praise. John style. But viewers and subscribers, big man thing though. See Ramesh and Dana link up here about the new production and price list. You see me?
You have to sit down and listen and keep your kid quiet. That is on the list. So tell them again, Ramesh, that is in case. And we're going to tell them the sizes that we are going to have.
Small, medium, large, extra large, and double XL.
Yeah, we're going to try to get the bigger size t-shirt, but we're not get them. But the double XL, big. Because me have an extra large and this big. Big up Misty Obsession, yes. The double decker to the world. Yes, so John Chop ever festive. Now the color them, what color we are working?
I mix it up, give them, man.
We're going to mix it up so you can pre-order at sweetjamaicashopping.com. Opal, Audrey. We're going to send out some Shelly Everclean, Wally British, all who sell cakes for me. We'll get t-shirts. So you guys can order from them. Yes. Right here in our John shop. Sweet Jamaica Shopping, she calling me ready for orders. She said first, I tell you how we do it, we decrease the price. We decrease the price by $5 for the Jamaican. Do I say, boy, auntie, boy, we can't manage the $35, you know, cause 5,000 that. So we take off the $5, and then when we have a sale, okay, you know, every store have sale. We're going to have a sale without the price when we have a special sale. Alright? What is written on the t-shirts? This is Planka Nation, Mirasta Ja. We have that on it, right?
People, the t-shirt is basically all of the slangs them that we love that Auntie Dana.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So it's going to be a Dana Go t-shirt line.
Yes.
I was starting off with just the phrases. You never know who might reach in a year or
yes.
a couple months down the
Because so Auntie Dana come up with that phrase, we let it go.
I don't know Auntie Dana ever chat some food system and just now one phrase got you hot. Yeah.
Always I chat some farmer rubbish.
We want to put up somewhere for the next shirt then, but down in the politician time, we're going to say, the Prime Minister is doing a half job. I do a t-shirt to that, so that people laugh you watch it. Because that's the artist when you go out to that thing like that.
No, sir. I miss my mouth, missing. I don't know how I say I could have beat myself when that fly out. I don't know where that did come from. The Prime Minister is doing an awesome job. I say my mouth was awful, and then take it to me, see? Yeah, so it's basically all of the slangs them, and we don't use anybody's slangs. Every slang we use over here is Planka Shop. what them give me and when me originate. So if them send me a double decker, we got buy a triple decker next year. We get the bigger size t-shirt. So if them send me a double decker, me run with it. Any name that Jesus sister, me run with it. Anything that people throw at me, we use it. You understand? And turn it into business ideas. Keep your king quiet. Yes, so rubbish talk to them there. Tell them about the cookout and them something there and the date and how they can purchase and stuff.
Them don't want to see my thing. Them auntie Dana them thing.
No, them want to see it. They don't know Plantation.
Them powerful.
Support. What?
I lie.
I said them powerful.
Hey,
Them
we
bigger
got
than
cook out the December the 17th on my office on Walton Park Road, Campus Boulevard.
Yes.
I remember saying I come like Auntie Dana. I left my streets. Walton Park Road, my born and grow. Campbell Boulevard, that's my place there. You understand? So we cook out the 17th. We have curry goat on sale, we have jerk chicken on sale, we have lobster on sale, fried fish on sale. So all kind of something on sale.
All kind of things. So all the payment first, I have to deliver. Tell them
so
then
here's the
something.
thing going on with the delivery, especially the companies them when you can put together on an order, when you can pay the week at the event, and when you get delivery for the time on our I don't know my thing, full of stuff. So we have car goat, we have trucker goat, we have bus goat, we have bike goat, delivery on time. Free delivery before 2 o'clock, 5 days after. If you're anywhere at Spanish Town and Portmore and you need to deliver it, you try to get 10 delivery or more, 10 order or more, and you get free delivery same way. And not even that only. After that, you know, you have a little after drink up and chill. So if you don't want, if you just order, you want to come on my place and just hold a vibe. We have a whole heap of space when you come sit down and eat and drink and just relax and have fun. I have an idea Christmas time, we have to utilize the time we get, and we just have to try just enjoy ourselves a little and just, you know, have a happy Christmas. You can't just eat the cake alone and I want to come drink the wine and little thing with the cake. You understand?
Alright, so Ramesh, for the planka, them will live a foreigner and want to support you through Auntie Dana. How it go with them now? Or you have any payment plan that say, suppose them want to buy some food and donate to somewhere or donate to somebody.
All them have to do a DM, man. DM me a Ramesh word.
Yeah.
Just DM me and tell me where you want to say.
How you get the money? That one.
Them can PayPal and Cash App, man.
Oh, PayPal and Cash App. So if you don't want to buy the police don't want to buy the girls home or some food, or the boys home or the old age home, or this, some nurse. The police want to buy 10 nurse a fish. You don't just want to run up a children's hospital and say, like all the nurse them up there, they are work now, so order, you say, yeah what, we want to sponsor 10 nurse something. You don't just message him, DM him, and buy it, and Romisha go label it and say this is for university hospital, this is for KPH, and then just run with it. Because we feel like we treat the nurse them and the doctor them good in them time, you know. And said it, but we can't go get the whole hospital, you understand? That's my idea. School at here, when the 18th school I go lock, so we can't go say we have cater for the teacher.
The boys home and the girls home there too.
Yes. Suppose you want to send 5 food. Suppose you're a retired police or you're a police and you want to send 5 food, 5 Romish lunch, this the police station in your neighborhood. Alright, Vineyard Town Police Station I get 5 food. Big up, Romish, I'm going to drop it off and say, this is from the Planka crew. So the 5 food, I'm going to then just take a little picture of the food. Because when I go put up the body in a phone with food. You understand? We're going to show say it they deliver. So any 5 police or any 5 nurse or we can't put it, any friend, anybody who don't want to do it.
Romish World, IG page.
Or here what? If me think a better idea. Alright, so Planka Nation, so upon one pull up, I think of an easier way because might be everybody now will get through to you.
On the page of the then you get to Romish World.
Oh, deal with Romish World. I meet through on the 17th of December, that time Auntie Dana busy. Yeah. So me couldn't go take it from my edge to say, alright, now we'll collect the money and pay for the food and show them who and who send. That me not have nobody for the take on. Yes, send out. Yeah. So me now can't do that. So I want to support the thing, pre-order, and we have lobster, we have this, and them start at 2,000 go upwards. So if you don't want to treat the nurse then
you get a free bottle of Mighty Malt with every curry chicken and every jerk chicken and curry goat, you know. Mighty
Malt, yeah, you get a free bottle of Mighty Malt with every curry chicken and every curry goat.
Jerk chicken and curry goat.
Jerk chicken and curry goat only you get that as.